This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Hello my friends, today we're taking a look at the T-Series mini PC. So by Beelink, B-E-E-L-I-N-K. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what accessories they give us. Alright, they don't want to come out. This is what it looks like. It's that small. So you got two USB ports, audio port, power button, another USB port. On the back you have your LAN, you have one HDMI, two HDMI, another LAN, and your DC power supply port. This is thin, this is amazing. Let's plug it in and test it out. Okay, so this is the startup. Once you have everything connected and you press the power button, you will need to install a mouse and keyboard, so just simply connect them to the USB ports. For us, we're just simply turning it on before we set it up to our main system, and we just want to make sure that it actually boots. It's always a good, before you set up something permanent, always just test it to make sure it's gonna boot up. But I'm pretty excited, guys. This is gonna be probably our off-grid camping computer, so anytime we go camping or off-grid, instead of just taking a laptop, we can actually take a full computer. We're gonna build a mini tower, and just, it's gonna be really cool. So it should load up the Windows screen, and this part's gonna be slower just because it's the first initial setup. So if you guys are noticing that it seems like it's slowed loading the loading screen, that's just because it's new. You need to get it set up, get your username and all that fun stuff done. So see you guys in a bit. Okay, and just like this, you're gonna come to your screen. We're gonna go through all the settings and set it up how we want it to, and then we will give you guys, I think I'm gonna test it out for at least a week to let you guys know. Okay guys, so I've been playing with this for about a week, and it's been good. I tried some games with it and it just was a little too laggy for my liking. But websites, now we have it hooked up to our fiber optic internet, and with that, it loads very fast. So this is the actual mini PC that we have set up here, and we can see that it loads very fast.
This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review.
This is motorcycle hydraulic lift jack. Now, to put this together is actually...
So, as you can see, everything plays really good and really fast. I don't know, if you don't have fiber optic, I don't know how fast things would load for you. But it's a very good, it's a very good little mini PC for what it is. So overall, I'm pretty happy with that. If you want it for something like gaming, definitely not. If you want it for something like a lot of programs, definitely not. It's just a good browser mini PC.